guys, my name is LETY McCloud, owner of the organic cleaning machine, and today we are in a new client home and we're going to show you how to clean the kitchen. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the front and door of your oven. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put some rags or paper towel or something so it doesn't drip so much underneath on the floor, because this is gonna get messy. As you know, here at OCM, we love to use our bucket with water and Dawn dish soap and ammonia. This magic eraser gets the dirt from plastic and metal super nicely. And around here, with just plastic, magic eraser really does magical things here, because it gets rid of all the dirt super quick. So now this part, which is the computer part, is easier to clean just with your sponge. Now there is some areas right here that we're gonna start making like soak it up, so you are able to clean this door nicely. Gonna go on the top. And one of the other tools is going to be very useful for you in this kind of a project is going to be your toothbrush, because the toothbrush, it really reaches out to areas where it's hard to get with just the sponges. And on the very edge, you're still going to need to use your blade. So here, that's where you're going to need to be very careful when you're using your blade, because those areas are very tricky. As you can see, it's coming up. Now remember, when you do the front door, I always recommend to use your squeegee, because you can squeeze it up nicely, everything at once. See? Comes right here, everything. So right now, we're just gonna concentrate on the very bottom, and we're gonna wash this tap that came out from the van, which I'm going to show you all the grease that's down there as well, because it's the very bottom of the oven, and that's a pizza cooking, trust me. So now we're going to use again the magic eraser right in the very bottom. You can see all the dirt coming off. And look at that right here. Voila. All the dirt. The magic eraser really is one of those nicest things to use on this material, because it's like a plastic. Now we're just going to dry it and put it back. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and keep watching us. We'll see you next time.